Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm going to share with you a few products, 3 to be exact, that were sent to me by onedaysavings.com to review. And I'm also going to share a process video and a coupon code with you. So a little bit of a busy video, but we're going to get right into it. I previously did a review for One Day Savings, and it was some wax seals. I think that was all I reviewed for that video. I don't quite recall, but I will link it so you can go check it out. They asked me to do another review for them. I agreed. I chose 2 wax seal stamps, and I also chose a kind of diamond painting type keychain set. So let's start with the wax seals. I've got 2. I got one little kitty on a moon wearing a little witchy hat. I don't know if you can make that out. I'm hoping you can. Super cute. And a snowflake. So one Halloween and one wintry, can also be Christmas. Okay, so I thought we would test these out right here together. I did test this one out, and it turned out really well. Check that out. Nice. I stamped it into some wax, and then I highlighted the embossed image with some Gilder's paste wax in antique gold. So love that. We are going to do the snowflake together. So I have my little mat here, and coincidentally I got this also from One Day Savings, because after I did their last review, I went back to their website and got some stuff with my own money. That's how much I appreciated their products. I have my little heat tool here with a stick of wax. So let's go ahead and test this one. I don't know if that's enough, but oh yeah, that's enough. If you hear some cheering in the background, that is my husband watching football. It's that time of the year. So this turned out really cute. I'm super happy with the impression. I was a little concerned because the image didn't look deeply etched, but looks can be deceiving because it sure was. Isn't that pretty? That is going to look so cute in my Halloween projects. So while that is setting, let me share with you the keychains. It is a set of 6 keychains. Aren't they adorable? There are only 5 here, and that's for good reason. That's because I did one of them. So I'll share that one with you. But I thought these were adorable, double-sided. And the way it works is they have, let's see if I can catch it. Yep. They have a release paper. See that? Can you see that? On both sides. So you would apply the drills to the one side, right? You would peel off the release paper, do your diamond painting, and then once that's done, flip it over and do the same on the other side. Okay, so that's how it works. On the individual little dolls, you see the letters that coordinate with the different drills. And these drills are super cute. They're not like your standard either square or circle shape. You have some different ones. You have some stars. There was another one here. So you get everything. You get the dolls. You get all of the drills, and mine, you know, are open because I started already. Like you get some tear drop shaped ones. I mean, really cute. And I think there's some stars here too. Oh no, I'm leaking. I'm going to put those to the side and figure out where they go, because I would be so sad if I got to the last doll and I was short a couple of drills because I was careless. You also get the little tray, the wax, you get your little application tool. So super cute. You get the lobster claw clasp with the ring. You get the tiny little ball chain, so that once you're done, because if you look at the dolls, each of them have a little hole pre-drilled. You thread the ball chain through that, attach it to your lobster claw, and you got yourself a cute little keychain. Or the way I intend on using it is I am going to apply it to the spine of one of my Halloween projects. I'm going to add it to a chunky charm. So this is one I completed. Isn't she adorable? And I'm going to share this process video with you. So once I'm done sharing the products with you, hang out and you will see the process of me completing this little cutie here. I will put it to music and speed it up just a little bit. But it took me, I would say it took me about an hour, and that's because I had to take some breaks. I was taking care of some chores around the house, including laundry. So I kept taking breaks, but when all was said and done, it took about an hour. And I think it turned out really cute. I did add some glossy accent to the eyes. I will say the one thing I'm not sure how to deal with is after you apply all of your drills, you do have some areas, like for example, the eyes, the nose, the lips, and the little eyebrows that are exposed. They have no drills on them so that you can see the details, but it's still sticky. So I don't know how to get rid of that stickiness. I wouldn't want that stickiness to stay there because I would be afraid, you know, dust and other things might get stuck to it, fibers, whatever. And after a while, that wouldn't look cute at all. So the eyes were easy. I put glossy accent. I guess you can do the same for the mouth, but I thought that would be a little weird. So I'm not sure. I thought maybe I could use some static powder, and I tried that, but it left it a little cloudy. I tested it on one of the eyes and it left it a little cloudy, and that's when I went in and put the glossy accents to kind of get rid of that cloudiness. So if you know how I can treat this to get rid of the stickiness, that would be ideal. It's not like super sticky, but it's sticky enough. So, you know, I just wanted to point that out. But they are super cute, and I know I'm going to have fun making the other 5. So I think that's been sitting long enough. That is so pretty. Probably a little difficult to see right now, but we can add some of this wax and see, oh yeah, if we can catch a highlight. That is really pretty. Some of the edges. Can you see that? Super pretty. I absolutely love that. Love, love, love that. So I think the 2 wax seal stamps are stunning, gorgeous, leave a beautiful impression. I think the keychains are super cute. Like I said, my only concern really would be that stickiness. I don't know how to get rid of it, but I will figure it out. I'm gonna have to, right? But otherwise, super cute, and I can't wait to add those to some chunky charms. And that is my entire review on the products that I selected. There will be links for these products in the info bar down below. There will also be a coupon code. I believe it's happily 05 off. So you get 5% off your purchase. Before using that code, definitely check out the website first, because sometimes they do have sales with a better deal, like you get a higher percentage off. So before you commit to that happily 05 off, check out the site itself at the time that you're ordering and see if they have a better deal. But if there's no deal going on, use the coupon code. I don't get anything. It's not an affiliate link. It's just a discount for you. Okay, my friends? So all that being said, I'm going to cut to the video where I share this process. And I will say to you right now, thank you so much for watching. I surely do appreciate you. And I will catch you all in my next video, my friends. Until next time. Bye-bye. Enjoy the video. you.